Alright, good afternoon guys. Well, just update of my engine. I want to clean the oil pan today. I'm still figuring out how I lift the engine. Some base where I can hang it up. Really solid and it can hold me, but the engine is heavier, I know. So I got that old boat crate over here. Maybe I can use that to lift it, but we'll see. I will figure something out, so I'll get back. Guys, I took the intake off, covers, and the intake is now here, ready to be cleaned. I discovered there was some standing still for a while. There's Zandy stuff in it, so too bad. I have to take it apart, or else I'll start it and I'll ruin the engine. So what I'm going to do is move this cover, check the timing, mark the timing so I know how the timing have to be set, and then I remove the cylinder. Get back to you. Well, alright, what I'm now going to do, I remove the belt, I marked it. Now I'm going to loosen up need some heavy stuff, and then because it's dark, just something like this. But well, I have to figure it out. I'll loosen up, get back. Right, we're moving the cylinder head. These are what with those. Het is een loosener. Kijk, ja, die is terug. Well, actually this is the first time I'm opening an engine from a car, so it's an experience for me. But I saw videos on the internet how to do it. Let me know. In that you will find tutorials and stuff like that for the engine building. So yeah, but those tutorials are for different kind of engines, so some I can figure out myself, but the most, I mean some I can find on the internet, but the most I have to figure out by myself. Yeah, so two left to remove. One more, but I can't reach it for you. So here are the screws. You have to make sure everything is loosened up. There's a big gap between them, so there's some good stuff. Alright, here it is. Don't forget the ring. Not that you start and you have something rattle. Alright, here it is. Don't need this for now. It's in the zip tie bag. So it should come right up. There it is. Moment. Oh, yeah. Bad. Well, maybe not too bad. Somebody has grinded up from the inside. You can see. It isn't. Just somebody grinded it up. And it isn't that bad. So, see if I can remove the sealing. No, I can't. Replace my battery and I'll get back. Alright guys, well, okay, it's up. It's a lot. I can lift it by my own. First I couldn't with all the stuff on, but when it's everything off what we don't need, I'm going to paint it. But first we need to drain the oil. You can do that over here, I believe. So I got to choose bucket, because bucket, I think it's in 17. Yeah, but I need 2 hands. A moment. Alright, there we go. Don't know how much oil will come out. What engine? Oh jeez. It's syrup, look. Man, I think he's grateful. How much oil goes in it? No, not much I hope. Well, phew, it's a lot. Stop draining, please. My bucket is full. Ah, shoot! Stupid, stupid, stupid. Alright, get another bucket. Get back. I should have done this before, but whatever. There we go again. Drain. It's now almost empty of course. I'm not going to take the inner side out, but just move the oil pan, because I couldn't get this wad off. Don't know how I removed this already. This one came loosely easily, but you know, I couldn't get it off, so I just leave it. Just cleaned a bit of the outside and paint and stuff like that, so yeah. And get back when I remove the oil pan. Alright, going to remove the oil pan. At least if it cooperates. I hope it cooperates. It's glued together, I think. If you see so. There we go. Now, and the rubber hammer doesn't work. See? They glued it. Ah, idiot. Well, I need to get it off. Alright. Some kind of idiot glued it on place. Why? Don't ask. I have to disgrease it, has to paint it all. Okay, it is the oil pump. It's connected with here, but I don't have to remove it because it's pretty good shape. But I let it drain all the oil off, and I'm going to disgrease that one. So yeah, I'm going to show you the cylinder head. Here it is, the cylinder head. And with just the key, the 12 I believe, we can remove the exhaust manifold. So this is cylinder. It isn't that bad shape. It's nice coffee brown, coffee brown, coffee brown, coffee brown, clean valve. So yeah, just try to get the exhaust off and then I get back. Right, have the exhaust blue. Right, exhaust removed. Sealer removed. It's a 4-cylinder. Have to clean a lot. Those are what? Intake. Oh, now I get it. 2 for intake, 1 for exhaust. Okay. There's a lot that have to be cleaned. So yeah, I continue. I'm glad I put it open. Look at all that. Yeah, well, I'll see how I can get this out. So yeah, move it and get back. Alright, I got the rod out, and yeah, I won't talk about that. I'm just gonna clean it. Alright, I cleaned the piston. It's with the special wheelie party. Spray it on and do like this. I don't take it out because I got my reasons. Alright, so I'm going to clean this piston and the other pistons, and then I get back to you. Okay, that's the engine. Cylinder head is over here. Already start putting it back together. It's easy thing, I think. I didn't play with the adjustment, so I can just put it on. So I do that and get back. I don't know if it run open, exhaust open, intake. But this one exhaust, I can't. Alright, exhaust, intake. I think it's okay because I didn't change the settings. I know that opens and well, whatever. I'm happy now. Alright. Continue to the next step. The cylinder head is all done now. The intake is over there. I won't start today with that. The engine is over here. That's the first thing that has to be done. Just take a old t-shirt as cleaning tile, and I'm going to scrub the engine a bit and paint it. So it won't look this bad anymore. So take a good view because I'm going to clean it and paint it. So look good. You won't recognize it anymore. Looks good, huh? Now this side. To do yet, but this one is done. Black. Yeah. Wow, looks like new, man. Looks like an more engine. So let's see if we got something else that has to be painted. No, I don't think anything has to be painted except the exhaust, but that's the late safety test. So yeah. So we're going to stop for today. It's the end of part 2 of engine building Mitsubishi Colt 1.3 engine. Restoration is far. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press the like button. Yep. Thanks for watching.